Sees your price. Just want to show you these new 64s that's in. They come in candy green and candy blue. Got the candy green out for you today. Now all I did is put the gold 13s on here. I didn't do nothing too much to it just yet. Y'all know green. Well, you guys who know me know green is my favorite color. So I'm kind of excited. Didn't have to paint it or do anything to it. The green actually changed colors a little bit, if you can see it. It's beautiful. Just want to get a quick video out for you guys to let you know that these are out. We do have them in stock, rims in stock, chrome or gold. These lights only flash like this, you guys, when we are recording. It's something about the camera and the lights. Now, me looking at the car straight, the lights are not flashing. Just to let you guys know, because a lot of the videos are like that, and some of you might be thinking, why are the 6-fold lights flashing in the front? That's just the camera, you guys. Okay, let me go ahead and get her out on the ground, drive her around, hit a couple of switches for you. I am so loving this gold and green. Beautiful. Now, one thing about these, you guys, the new ones that just came out comes with the toe in. So your tires don't fall in as much in the front. Now this is a full lockup. It doesn't look too bad. So here's how the new ones come. So you don't have to take anything apart and adjust anything. It's already ready for you. Just laying and playing. Got a surprise for you guys too. Let me go ahead and show it to you. Raise the back up a little bit. Bring the front down just a tad. Y'all see that? Now this is fresh out the box. I didn't do anything to this car. Nothing. This is how it came out the box, ready to go. Beautiful. Ready. Springs working. A-arms working. Look at that. Ready. Square business, not square back. You guys, one thing I did change, I put my little battery adapter on here to convert it to a Dean's plug light bulb because I have a 2S 50C 5000 Gen 8, light bulb battery in here. Give it a little bit more power for the servos, but I haven't done nothing crazy or outrageous yet. The Red 64, if you guys are wondering, I'm getting a lot of things done and modified on there. It's going to be hopping a lot higher, when it come out the shop. Getting it done, getting it together. It's just taking a little time. The A-arms are coming, you guys. Just relax and sit back. I have a lot of people calling me every day, all the time, asking about the A-arms. I'm just happy that the car is just bouncing like this, fresh out the box. So you can pull up on your homie, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can have a little hop off and whatnot. Instead of just driving it around, that's still fun. This car is so beautiful, right? Lord, forgive me of my sins and my transgressions. From a fool to a wise man, I learned my lesson. Between what I want and what I need, I'm hustling. So many miles I gotta feed, can't get enough of it. Get the best of me, I'm a different breed, no problem bubbling. Gotta leave a legacy, yes indeed. Haters covered it. The accolades are obsolete, I'm discovering. I'm an ace of spades, not a king, still recovering. From a life been raised up in these streets where they stubbornly keeping it in your back when you can't breathe. Gotta leave a legacy, won't let the haters get the best of me. That's laid all the way down for now. So nothing really stressing me, yeah. I got master feed, come to the game and watch it bleed. I got the faith, so I believe the size of a mustard seed. You ask, and you shall receive. Work hard and you will achieve. Standing on my own too. On the surface, nobody here was worthless. We all got a choice, and I choose to use my voice to upbring the youth and tell y'all the truth. Throw it up, and it's the alley hoop. You know we come here to just
speak the truth. Survivor is the goal. Spin rhymes, I go old. Like Sub-Zero, I'm cold. Leave the fake exposed. I'm worth my weight in gold. It's just the path I chose. Not quite, but I